ఓకే, నిన్న క్లాస్ చిన్న కరెక్షన్ ఉంది చూసుకోండి. మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ okay, so while we are discussing about the middle terms, when n is even, so number of terms is n plus 1, which is odd. Okay, so number of middle terms is 1. And that middle term is ఏం చెప్పా, మిడిల్ టర్మ్ tn/2 అని చెప్పాను నిన్న. Okay, so I told you the middle term is tn/2, but it's not tn/2, it is tn/2 plus 1. అదొక్కటే difference. So I got confused with the coefficient. See, in tn/2 plus 1, the coefficient will be ncn/2. Coefficient is ncn/2, but the middle term is tn/2 plus 1, but not tn/2. Okay, correct that. So next, when n is odd, అది కరెక్టే ఉంది. When n is odd, number of terms is even. Number of terms is equal to even. So number of middle terms will be number of middle terms will be 2. So and those middle terms are t n plus 1/2 and t n plus 3/2. Okay, so the binomial coefficient, and this will be the greatest binomial coefficient. Greatest binomial coefficient in the expansion will be the binomial coefficient of the middle term. Greatest binomial coefficient in the expansion will be the binomial coefficient of the middle term, ncn/2 in this case. In this case, greatest binomial coefficient, always remember this, greatest binomial okay, greatest binomial coefficient will be the coefficient of the middle term. So what are the middle terms here? Tn plus 1/2 and tn plus 3/2. So nc n minus 1/2 and nc n plus 1/2 are the greatest binomial coefficients. Also nc n minus 1/2 will be equal to nc n plus 1/2. Reason enti, ncr is equal to ncn minus r. That is the reason. Okay, we have a property ncr is equal to ncn minus r. So assume this to be ncr. This will be n minus r. N minus of n minus 1/2 will be equal to n plus 1/2. So that is how ncr will be equal to nc n minus r. ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ యూజ్ చేసుకొని, సో మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ కి బైనామియల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో బైనామియల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఫర్ ద బోత్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ విల్ బి equal. Remember that. So the point here is the greatest binomial coefficients will always be the binomial coefficients of the middle terms. Okay, so ikkada mistake ayindi nanna, correct this point. Next కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా చూడండి. ఆ ఎక్సైజ్ లో 4, 5, 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగారు. ఓకే, see, a plus b whole power n ఏమైంది nc naught into a power n plus nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b and so on plus ncn into b power n a minus b whole power n nc naught into a power n minus nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b plus and so on plus minus 1 whole power n ncn into b power n. Any doubt in this? A plus b whole power n and a minus b whole power n. Now if you add these two, a plus b whole power n plus a minus b whole power n will be equal to, see, alternate terms will get cancelled. Alternate terms will get cancelled because plus minus. Malli ikkada rendu plus e untayi. Next plus minus. So alternate terms will get cancelled and 2 times of nc naught into a power n plus nc. Next time వస్తుంది. We won't get nc1 because nc1, see nc1, nc3, nc5, all those terms gets cancelled. So nc naught into a power n plus nc2 into a power n minus 2 into b square and so on plus. Okay, next. So a plus b whole power n minus of a minus b whole power n. So 2 times of, now when you subtract the equations, first term, third term, fifth term, all those gets cancelled. Now what will be left? Plus minus of minus, again plus. This is 2 times of. So nc1 into a power n minus 1 into b plus nc3 into a power n minus 3 into b cube and so on. Okay, plus and so on. Now coming to exercise 6a, fourth question. Find the number of terms with non-zero coefficients 4x minus 7y whole power 49 plus 4x plus 7y whole power 49. Number of terms. Question ఏంటంటే number of terms. So first starting with this one. Okay, number of terms here is 50 because the exponent is 49. If n is 49, number of terms is n plus 1. So 50 terms. Ikkada kuda 50 terms unnai. But what happens is when you add these two, a minus b whole power n plus a plus b whole power n, okay, so half of the terms will get cancelled. Half of the terms will get cancelled because 50 is even, number of terms is even, so obviously exactly half of the terms will get cancelled. So number of terms will be 25. So 25 terms will get cancelled. Cancel. Adi point akkada. Now find the sum of last 20 coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 39. Okay, ee sum of coefficients anedi we'll see later. Sum of coefficients next thing, separate concept undadi, we'll see that. Sixth question, if a and b are coefficients of x power n in the expansion of a is equal to coefficient of x power n in expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n. Now I told you yesterday, when the expansion or binomial theorem is of the form 1 plus x whole power n is of the form 1 plus x whole power n, the coefficient of x power r will be ncr directly. Okay, the coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n will be equal to 2ncn directly. 2ncn. Now given b is equal to coefficient of x power n, coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. Now it will be simply 2n minus 1 cn. Okay, so this is the point we have discussed yesterday. coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n is NCR. So r place లో n ఉంది, n place లో 2n ఉంది. That's it. So 2n Cn, this is 2n minus 1 Cn. Question is to find the value of a by b. So a by b is equal to 2n Cn upon 2n minus 1 Cn. 2n Cn upon 2n minus 1 Cn. So 2n Cn, 2n factorial upon n factorial into n factorial. అంతేనా? NCR, n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Next 2n minus 1 Cn. So 2n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial into 2n minus 1 minus n minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now n factorial cancel. 2n factorial upon 2n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial. అవి మిగిలేవి. Okay. Now expand this, is the bigger one. So expand this 2n into 2n minus 1 factorial whole upon 2n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial by, now n is the bigger one, so n into n minus 1 factorial. These two get cancelled, these two get cancelled. So 2n by n, answer is 2. Atla. Okay na? Doubts in level. Okay. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ నేను ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, sum of coefficients of x power 7 and x power 4 in the expansion of x square by a minus b by x whole power 11. So given coefficient of x power 7 plus coefficient of x power 4 is equal to 0. That is a given equation. Sum of coefficients of x power 7 and x power 4 is 0. That is given. Now, here, TR plus 1. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR, 11CR into A power n minus R. See, this is the concept we discussed yesterday. How to find the coefficient of x power 7? So, let the term be TR plus 1 and then equate the exponent of x in this term to 7 once and 4 second time. Okay, first time equate that to 7, second time equate that to 4. You will get the values of R. So, NCR into A power n minus R, x square by A into n minus R, 11 minus R into minus B by x whole power R. Okay. NCR into A power n minus R into B power R. Now, 11CR into x square whole power 11 minus R, x power 22 minus 2R upon A power 11 minus R into minus B whole power R by x power R. Now, simplify in one more step. Into minus B whole power R by A power 11 minus R. Okay. Into A power m by A power n. A power m minus n. So, x power 22 minus 2R minus R. So, 22 minus 3R. Okay. Sorry. X power 22 minus 3R. So, first 22 minus 3R is equal to 7. 22 minus 3R is equal to 4. Because I need the coefficients of x power 7 and x power 4 both. So, first equate the exponent to 7 and second time equate that to 4. Now, 3R is equal to 22 minus 7. So, what is 22 minus 7? 15. So, R is equal to 5. So, here 3R is equal to 18. So, R is equal to 6. So, R is equal to 5 and R is equal to 6. So, now coefficient of x power 7. Coefficient of x power 7 is equal to coefficient of x power 7 is equal to 11C7 into minus B whole power 5. So, minus B power 5 upon A power 11 minus 5, A power 6. Okay. So, this is the coefficient of x power 7. Coefficient of x power 4. Coefficient of x power 4 is equal to 11C6 into minus B whole power 6. So, B power 6 by A power 11 minus 6, A power 5 is equal to, sorry, ante kada. Now, sum of coefficients is 0. So, equation is 11C7 11C6 into B power 6 by A power 5 minus 11C7 into B power 5 by A power 6 is equal to 0. Now, what is LCM? Or you can do one thing, take B power 5 by A power 5 common. To take B power 5 by A power 5 common, here you will be left out with B, 11C6 into B minus 11C7 into 1 by A is equal to 0. So, that is both. So, 11C6 into B is equal to 11C7 into 1 by A. Again, A into B value, find the value of A into B. So, A into B is equal to 11C7 by 11C6. Simple guy. 11 factorial by 7 factorial into 4 factorial whole upon 11 factorial by 6 factorial into 5 factorial. Cancel. So 6 factorial into 5 factorial by 7 factorial into 4 factorial. So cancel 7 మిగులుతుంది, ఇది cancel 5 మిగులుతుంది. Because 7 factorial is 7 into 6 factorial, 6 factorial 6 factorial 7. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 factorial, 4 factorial cancel, so 5. So answer is 5 by 7. అదేనా ఇచ్చింది నా ఆన్సర్ పక్కన బ్రాకెట్ లో 1 అని ఇచ్చానా. a into b is equal to 1 అయిందా? ఎయిటీన్ R6 కరెక్ట్, 15 R5 కరెక్ట్. 7 ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? ఇది ఒక్కటి 5లే, మిగతా అన్ని కరెక్ట్ గానే వచ్చినాయి. This is 5. See, R value is 5. So 11C5. ఇది కరెక్ట్ గానే చేసాం. We done this correctly. 11C5, 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 11C5 by 11C6. ఇదంతా అవసరం లే ఇంకా. Cancel 1. Because NCR is equal to NCN minus R కదా. See 11C5 is equal to 11C 11 minus 5 6. సో ఆ ప్రాపర్టీతో అయిపోయింది అది. A into B is equal to 1 అట్లా. Next one, if coefficient of x cube and x power 4 in expansion of are both zeros, then find A and B. Okay, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి ఇది. 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 2x whole power 18 అది 1 minus 2x whole power 18. So coefficient of x cube. Now observe this. 1 plus ax plus bx square into expand this. ఏమొస్తుంది? First nc naught into 1. Okay, minus nc1 అంటే 18c1 into 2x plus 18c2 into 2x whole square minus 18c3 into 2x whole cube. So what are the coefficients we need? X cube and x power 4. So plus 18c4 into 2x whole power 4 minus and so on plus. Okay, so we don't need the terms after 2x power 4 because I need the coefficients of only x cube and x power 4. So after x power 4 you're going to get x power 5. So I don't need about them. So just write until x power 4, you'll get the answer. One into x cube coefficient. See here x cube coefficient. Sorry. చెప్తున్నా రాసుకోండి. 1 into coefficient of x cube. ఇది second bracket. ఇది first bracket. ఇది second bracket. Okay. Plus a into. See there's already x here. Okay. There's already x. So to get x cube I need only x square here. To get x cube I need only x because x into x square is x cube. Here there is only 1. So to get x cube I need to multiply with the x cube term. So 1 into x cube. So 1 into coefficient of x cube in the second bracket plus a into coefficient of x square in the second bracket plus b into coefficient of x in the second bracket is equal to 0. That is a given. Coefficient of x cube and x power 4 both are 0. That is the given statement. Some doubts ఉన్నాయా ఇందులో? Is there any doubt till this step? Is there any doubt till here? Hmm, 11C5. ఓకే రమ్మని కరెక్ట్ చేస్తారు అయితే. Any doubts till this step? See, only one expansion is not given here. Along with the expansion, 1 plus ax plus bx square is also given. So you need to solve this very carefully. To get the coefficient of x cube, 1 into x cube, x into x square into x. So in all the three terms, in all the three multiplications, you're going to get x cube. Okay. Now, 1 into, what is the coefficient of x cube? Minus 18c3 into 2 cube. Minus 18c3 into 2 cube. Plus a into coefficient of x square plus 18c2 into 2 square. 18c2 into 2 square. Along with that, plus b into coefficient of x minus 18c1 into 2 minus 18c1 into 2 is equal to 0. Now, minus expansion 18 into, I have to expand up to 3 terms because suffix is 3, 18c3. So expansion 18 into 17 into 16 upon 3 factorial into 8, this is minus, plus a into 18c2, 18 into 17 by 2 factorial into 4 minus 18 b into 18c1 is 18 simply into 2 is equal to 0. So first 18 gets cancelled, 18 common వచ్చేసి 0 అయిపోయింది. So 3 factorial it is 6. So 2 4s are 2 3s are, okay, 2 4s are 2 3s are అంతే. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So now minus 17 into 16 into 4 by 3 plus 34a minus 2b is equal to 0. Okay, so this is one equation. So to get second equation, coefficient of x power 4 is equal to 0. Coefficient of x power 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so forget about the calculation part. Okay, theory is concept is important here. Forget about the calculation part. Inta heavy calculation on a question ever exam lo. So coefficient of x power 4 is 0. So how to get coefficient of x power 4? 1 into coefficient of x power 4 plus a into coefficient of x cube plus b into coefficient of x square is equal to 0. There's already x here, so we need to multiply with x cube. There is x square here, we need to multiply with x square. So 1 into coefficient of x power 4, 18c4 into 2 power 4 plus a into coefficient of x cube minus 18c3 into 2 cube plus b into coefficient of x square 2 into 18c2 into 2 square is equal to 0. Now expand this 18c4, 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 by 4 factorial into 2 power 4, 16 plus a minus a into 18 into 17 into 16. See 18c4 expand up to 4 terms. 18c3 expand up to 3 terms. Shortcut నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా 3 factorial into 2 cube is 8 plus b into 18c2 expand up to 2 terms. 18 into 17 by 2 factorial 2 into 4 is equal to 0. Now 18 into 17, 18 into 17, 18 into 17 gets cancelled. Common just cancel అయిపోతాయి. Now 4 factorial 24, 8 2s are, 8 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. 16 into 5, 80. 80 into 2, 160. 160 minus 3 factorial, 6. So 2 3s are 2 4s are 16 into 4, 64. 64 by 3a plus 2b is equal to 0. Plus 2b is equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay. Solve 1 and 2. Find a and b. Solve 1 and 2 and find a and b. Okay. So this is the important step here. This is the important step. This step is important. To get x cube, multiply 1 with x cube coefficient, x cube term, multiply ax with x square term, multiply bx square with x term. Akkada same. To get x power 4, multiply 1 with x power 4 term, ax with x cube term, bx square with x square term. Okay. A term మొత్తం రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. No need to write all the terms. Just we need coefficient of x cube. Okay. Any doubts? Coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x into same rise kuda. Third one, coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power n. Okay. The two brackets, first bracket, second bracket. Okay. So coefficient of x power n. So 1 into, see, 1 into coefficient of x power n plus 1 into, there is already x here. So to get x power n, I just need x power n minus 1. Remember that. Coefficient of x power n minus 1. See, 1 into coefficient of x power n plus this one. This one is from x. So 1 into coefficient of x power n minus 1. So what is the coefficient of n here? 1 into coefficient of n, coefficient of x power n. చివర్లో ఏముంటది? -1 whole power n into ncn. See, this is simply coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power n. Or you can say coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n, which is ncr. Okay. But there is minus 1 minus x whole power n. So we'll get -1 whole power r. That's it. తర్వాత రాస్తా. Plus 1 into coefficient of x power n minus 1. So simply -1 whole power n minus 1 into nc n minus 1. See, in place of r there is n here. In place of r there is n minus 1 here. So observe this, coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n. -1 whole power r. So r is n here. Here r is n minus 1. So -1 whole power n minus 1. So this is the coefficient of x power n. -1 into -1 whole power n into ncn. ncn is 1 plus -1 whole power n minus 1 into ncn minus 1. It is n. ncn minus 1 is n. Now, if n is even, suppose if n is even, అప్పుడు ఏమైంది ఆన్సర్? -1 whole power even plus 1, -1 whole power odd 1 minus n. Okay. Suppose n is odd. Suppose n is odd. This will be minus, that will be plus n. So which is n minus 1. So basically 1 minus n or n minus 1 plus or minus n minus 1. నేను ఇచ్చిందండి -1 whole power n. So రెండు కంబైన్ ఎలా రాసేయచ్చు అంటే n is even, you'll get plus 1 minus n. If n is odd, you're going to get minus of 1 minus n. So simply minus 1 whole power n into 1 minus n. See, if n is even, this is plus. If n is odd, this is minus. So the answer. You know? The voice level disturbance వస్తున్నారా? రావట్లేదు, డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అని రావట్లేదు వాయిస్ లో. Okay, last question. Fourth question. See, coefficient of x power 7 in expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6. Okay, minus 144. Coefficient of x power 7. So again, this is not a binomial. This is not a binomial, so we have to convert that into binomial. Observe this. 1 minus x square. Take common. Take minus x square common here. You're going to get 1 minus x. Okay, na? So which is, now take 1 minus x common from these two terms. 1 minus x into 1 minus x square whole power 6, which is 1 minus x whole power 6 into 1 minus x square whole power 6. 1 minus x square whole power 6. Now, see. First expansion, second expansion. Inda chesinante. Coefficient of x power 7. Coefficient of x power 7. Observe this very carefully. 1 into x power 7. 1 into x power 7. To get x power 7, coefficient inga rayatledu. To get x power 7, 1 into x power 7, x into x power 6, x square into x power 5, x cube into x power 4, x power 4 into x cube, x power 5 into x square, x power 6 into x power 7 into 1. Now, some of these are possible, some of these are not possible. How? Look at this. What is the term here? X square. So in every term you're going to get either x square whole square, x square whole cube, x square whole power 4, and so on up to x square whole power 6. So all the exponents of x here are even numbers. So in this term, exponents of x are even. Exponents of x are even. So this is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is also not possible. In this one, maximum exponent of x is maximum exponent 6 కదా, బికాజ్ x పవర్ 6, x పవర్ 6 దాటి వెళ్ళలేదు కదా. సో exponent is 6 here, which means maximum exponent of x will be 6. It cannot go more than 6, so it cannot be x power 7. అందుకని ఇది కూడా అవ్వదు. Okay, now what are the possible things? So coefficient of x power 7 is equal to coefficient of 1 into, sorry, coefficient of x into, so this is the first bracket I'm talking about. This is the first one, this is the second one, into coefficient of x power 6 plus, ఇది కూడా పోయింది కదా, coefficient of x cube into coefficient of x power 4, okay, plus coefficient of x power 5 into coefficient of x square. Okay na? ట్రై చేయండి తర్వాత, ఇంకా 2 minutes ఉంది, తర్వాత లెక్చర్లో చెప్తాను. రిఫరెన్స్ బుక్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా నీ దగ్గర? సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కూడా ఉన్నాయా? అందులో చేసుకోబోయినా అంటే ముందు కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా ఉండదు, థియరీ పార్ట్ ఉందా? ఉండవా? ఉంటుంది కదా. డౌట్ ఉంటే అడిగి. చేస్తున్నావా వరకు కూర్చుంటున్నావా? చేస్తున్నావా? చూసావా?